is up? Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a shoe review with some new Nikes I got from their website. I'm going to start with this one here. This is a custom Air Force One High from their Nike by You section. I actually got these from my baby bro because he helped me out with something huge last month. So I figured I'd hit him with some fresh Nikes. But yeah, these came out really nice. All smooth leather. They have like smooth leather and I think it's called a rippled leather. But yeah, this one's all smooth. I was going for like a subtle royal one kind of look, but this isn't royal blue. I can't remember what it's called, but it's a nice blue. It's not like a weird blue that looks purple or anything. But I think if you go on the site now and try to design a pair, they might have the royal blue as an option now. But yeah, these came out nice. Like the leather's really nice and smooth and soft. The stitching's all proper all over, and the icy bottoms. Oh mom, those are nuts. I don't know if it's looking good on the camera, but yeah, definitely going to be getting more customs from their website. But yeah, oh yeah, so nice. Didn't take too long either. It took about a little over 2 weeks, and I actually ordered them with a few other things. I got these guys here. Yeah, Cosmic Unity. I call them the Anthony Davises because he's pretty much the only guy I see online and on websites and Instagram and stuff rocking these. But these are they're not white, but I don't know, I'd call them the all whites kind of. It's more of like a creamish, light beige kind of color. Yeah, crazy shoe, really nice. There was a bunch of other weird colors that came out. They looked pretty cool. There's like a peachish one, peachish pinkish kind of color. Those are sweet, but I'm getting old, so I can't really be wearing those crazy colors. But these are kind of crazy too. Like when you really look at them, there's all kinds of, it looks like candy underneath. But yeah, these ones are sick. There's all kinds of like weird little details. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there's like writing, like there's some, it says something over here. There's the inside. I don't even know how they made these. Like they're so intricate. Everything like lines up in a certain way, and yeah, I got that weird, I don't know what that is, if that's like an air bubble or something, but these ones are sick. Wild laces. I don't know what this is, but that looks cool. Some kind of funky logo. But yeah, they're nice and flat at the bottom. No weird heel type of thing. But yeah, I had another pair of these exact same ones, and I was gonna go a half size up just to be a little more comfortable. They fit snug, but I would definitely stick to whatever your normal size is, because I don't know what it is. I think it's because of this part here, or just, I don't know, something in the back, but like when you're wearing them, your feet look huge. Like, I don't know, I couldn't, like, this is my normal size, still looks kind of big. Feels really good, fits snug, but I don't even know how I would pull these off with like skinny jeans or anything. Like your feet would look like, oh my god, I don't know. But yeah, these are sick, super sick. And I got excuse me, got these ones too. These are the same ones in black. These are pretty wild. I thought these were gonna be like all black, but they're wild, like with the colors. The swoosh is, I don't know, I don't know if that's me. It is cool, but very wild. don't know. All this stuff is wild too. I think if you switch these out to like some black laces, they're gonna look sick. But yeah, there's the inside. Some kind of weird stuff going on in there. Yeah, these are sick. I think just like what I like about them is the design, the shape of it, especially like how the bottom's like all flat like that. I love shoes like that. No heel stuff, no weird stuff. But yeah, that's sick. That black and red kind of thing. I don't really like red, but that looks sick. Yeah. I'm gonna wrap this up before my wife gets back. I was just doing this little shoe review while she's doing groceries. But yeah, until the next video, thanks for checking me out. And be good, man. Peace out.